Hi, this is the second activity in the Pixel Art activity pack. For this activity, we'll be talking all about hex values and colors, which is an important part of pixels. So, what are hex color values? Hexadecimal values are the values used to define different colors, including very specific shades and hues. Each color is made from a mix of red, green, and blue, and it is this that determines the value. We use these values when we're creating websites. So when are hex values used? As mentioned, we use hex values in web design. We set colors using their hex values. This means that the shade and hue are very, very specific, which is very useful when creating something professional. So next, download the activity sheet attached to this. This activity follows on from the first pixel art challenge and follows a very similar format, except this time we're going to be using hex values instead of ones and zeros. This is what the activity sheet should look like. You'll have grids like this, very similar to the first activity, except this time you'll see that there's not just ones and zeros, there's a whole range of numbers there. On the next sheet, you'll find a key and a table. The key is the hex value for each number within the grid, and then the table is the color that refers to each hex value. For this example, I'll be choosing the number 5. So in the key, I look and I see that the number 5 has the hex value 33FF58. I can then refer to the table and find that hex value. So I can see the 33FF58 is bright green. I then color in all of the 5s bright green, as seen here. As an extension task, you'll be given blank grids once again, and you'll be creating some pixel art for someone else to color in. Follow the same format as the earlier art in this activity sheet by using the key and the table. If you want to add in some more colors for some variation, then you can research some hex values online. Have fun!